everyone, this is Erica from Highland Hickory Designs. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to continue learning the corner to corner stitch. But this time, we're going to learn how to change colors. Like for example, if you wanted to make stripes. So let's get started. We're going to start out with our chain 6 to create our first block. 4 chains from the hook, double crochet, double crochet, and the final double crochet. We'll start row 2 in blue. 6, 4 chains from the hook, turn your work, slip stitch, chain 3, okay, so let's say for row 3 we'd like to change our color. What I would do, I'd take my scissors and I'd finish off. So that won't come undone. We grab our next color and we need to start right here in the same spot where we left off. So what we're going to do is in this last stitch, we're going to grab our new color of yarn, move this blue guy out of the way, and we're going to chain 6 just like we do at the beginning of every row. 4, 5, 6, and the 4th chain from the hook, double crochet, now if it makes you feel more comfortable, you can tie these together to keep it from coming apart. That's not a problem. So turn your work, slip stitch in the chain 3 space, chain 3, and complete your block. Slip stitch, one, 2, 3, and there you go. You just added another color. Let's do this one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, double crochet, turn your work, okay. So now let's say we want to just have 2 rows of each color. So again, we would finish off, put down our first color, grab our original or a third one, it's up to you, and in the last stitch where you left off, pull your yarn through, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, fourth chain from the hook, turn your work. Okay, so that is row 5, and for our examples, that's our corners. If you need to, put stitch markers on either corner so that you remember where your corners are and you don't continue to increase. Turn your work. Chain 3. So now we'll only have 4 blocks instead of 5. Okay, since this is our corner, we will slip stitch and not go any further. You can finish here, finish off here, or slip stitch down to this corner of this block, which I'm going to do that so we could tie off our colors together so they don't come undone. Okay, so what you want to do is get your next color for your next stripe, and instead of using the chain 3 space to pull your color through, I tried it this way and it leaves this weird angle right here, and I didn't like the way it bumped out. So what we're going to do is put your hook through this last stitch, and then this is where we're going to pull our new color through. So you can chain 3 from here. It will still work out fine, and this way we still get a straight line. So let's carry on with our row. Okay, we'll slip stitch into this last block, turn our work, slip stitch along the block to get to the chain 3 space for our decrease. Chain 3. slip stitch in the final block. Okay, we're going to turn our work, slip stitch to the corner, and finish off. Okay, we have one more block left. It's better to pull it through this last stitch, if I can get it. There we go. Chain 3, and you still have that nice clean edge. And work your last block. Slip stitch in the last block of the last row to lock it down. Turn your work and slip stitch to the corner. Finish off. And that's it. You'll have quite a few more ends to weave in, but that's okay. That is how you do basic stripes. Now, if you don't want to do this kind of stripe work, I made a few more swatches for you to see the different options that you have. This one is a variegated yarn, and it will give you all the different colors, and it makes it more interesting. Not really in stripes, but it's still very pretty. And then there's also this one that the color, you can see the color changes and it gives a striped impression, but this is the same yarn. And if you want to know what yarns these are, they'll be listed in the description box below. But I just wanted to show you that you have several options for basic corner to corner. Many choices. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.